Hi, in this lecture I will be showing you how to add web loader in your app and also how to enable push notifications for your promotions and discounts that you want to promote in various apps. So let's get started with the notification first. So you can see this is your app. So to add push notifications, we will need to understand what are the services that are present for the push notification. One of the best platform for adding push notifications is Onesignal. This is a website where you can add push notifications and manage all the push notifications and statistics. Okay, this is Onesignal. Let's try to add Onesignal to our Android app. First step is to log in via our social accounts or by email. Let's try to log in first. So once we are logged in, we will now see our dashboard. This is amazing dashboard where you can see all the apps, how they are sending notifications, subscribe users who are able to get the notifications, and the platforms. OneSignal is one of the best platforms which can send notifications to Android, Google Chrome, Firefox, and various other devices which can be a which can take notifications. Let's try to add our app and let's name the app as Apna Dhaba. You can name anything. Once you are in, we will now configure the platform. So our app is Android app. Let's go next. Let's configure with the Firebase. So to get this, let me show you how to do it. The first step is to open Firebase.google.com or console.firebase.com, or let me go by Google search. Now let's click on Firebase console. Now you will be redirected to the console. Firebase is an extension from Google which allows your apps to perform many various features like analytics, push notifications, and many other features. So once you are logged in, we will try to select or add a new project. For now, let me add a new project. Let me keep it up now. Accept. Once you are accepted, your project will be started. It will take less than 1 minute to configure your project. Okay, once you are inside the project, you can see develop, quality, and analytics. Okay, so our target is to have the notification. So let's click on the gear icon and click on the project settings. Now in the settings, we can see cloud messaging. In the cloud messaging, we have server key and sender key. Let's try to copy the server key first, and it's done. Now the sender ID, and it's done. Let's save it. Select the SDK. Let's keep Android. Next step is to add your SDK in the app. So our app ID. So we will need to copy the app ID. We will need to go here. Now we'll need to go to the experimental features and push notifications. Push notifications. So you can see Onesignal app ID. So we have copy pasted. Let's paste and done. Now next time when you will export your app, you will be able to send notification. For now I'm just going back because our process is done. I'm just leaving the setup, but now you will be able to send your notifications from this panel. How to send a location notification? It's very easy. Go to messages, click on new push, and now it's time to add the message. This is the title that we want to add, and this is the message that we want to show. And you can target your devices. For now we have only Android, so we are only targeting the Android devices. And the next step is to configure and confirm. Once you have confirmed, you will be able to send your push notifications to all the users who have downloaded your app. Okay, so that's done. So now let's try to add the website loader. How to add a website loader? It's not that hard. First we need to add circular progress, which will show that our website is loading. Let's make it 30% with also 30%. Now screen. In the screen we have to go and align it in the center. Okay. Now it's done. Now the next step is to make it invisible and change the circular bar color like you want. For now I'm just using red color. Oh, wait, let's use the pink. Okay, so our loader is added. Let's try to configure it, the blocks. So please see how I am going to do it. Okay, so in the web viewer we have to navigate to progress change. Okay, then we have to navigate to the variables and use the set. Okay, so next is set progress is equal to, let's keep it 80% loaded website. Okay, the website is 80% loaded. Then what should happen? If the set progress bar is 80% loaded, we have to add something like this. Let me show you. If set is loaded, then we will add two new features. We will try to enable or disable. Okay, so let's try to find those things. So let's use this visibility one and the progress bar visibility. Okay, and we also have something called as true and false in the logic. Okay, let's add false also. Okay, so these are all the features that we will be adding. Okay, so let me show you an app that already has these features. Okay, so let me go to again creator.kodular, show you an app which has a web loader feature. Let me show you this app. So this app has a web loader feature already present. See, it has circular progress bar, network detectors, and web browser. Okay, so let me show you how the progress change is used. It's something like this. So we will now try to add it. Okay, this is the first step. Set. Sorry, we have to use get progress. Last one, 80%. Can remove this by dragging into the recycle bin. Then we have to do something like add it here and add it here. Also, we need to add else. Again, we have to copy paste them. Again, this one. Okay. So if it's 100%, what should happen? It should be true and it should be false. And if it's not true, then it should be true and web loader should be false. That's it. Now our web loader has been added. Also the push notification features have also been added. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Now your app will be able to send notifications. Also when the website is loaded, it will show a web loading that the website is being loaded. And once it's loaded, you will be able to see the web view.